Are you struggling to lose stubborn belly fat at home? You're not alone. Belly fat can be one of the hardest areas to target, but with the right exercises you can burn fat faster and tone your core without leaving your house. In this video, we'll cover the 10 best exercises to lose belly fat quickly, with easy-to-follow moves that anyone can do. Ready to transform your belly and feel more confident? Let's get started. Mountain climbers are a powerful full-body exercise that raises your heart rate and works your core deeply. Begin in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line. Drive one knee toward your chest quickly, then switch legs in a running motion. This fast pace boosts calorie burn and strengthens your abs. Try to do mountain climbers for 30 to 45 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat 3 to 4 rounds. Next up are bicycle crunches, one of the most effective moves to target all parts of your abs. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent at 90 degrees. Lift your shoulders off the ground and twist your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Alternate sides in a cycling motion. This works the upper abs, lower abs, and obliques at the same time. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Russian twists focus on the side abdominal muscles known as obliques. Sit on the floor with knees bent and feet slightly lifted. Lean back slightly and clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, touching the floor beside your hips. For an added challenge, hold a small weight or water bottle. Perform 20 twists, 10 each side, for 3 sets. Planks are a classic and essential exercise for core strength. Start on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abs by pulling your belly button toward your spine and hold the position without letting your hips sag or rise. Begin with 30 seconds, increasing to 60 seconds as you gain strength. Do 3 repetitions. Leg raises are excellent for the lower abs, an area often neglected. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and hands under your hips for support. Slowly raise your legs until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Then lower them back down without touching the floor. The key is controlled movement to engage your abs fully. Complete 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Burpees combine cardio and strength, making them ideal for burning fat fast. From standing, drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a plank. Optionally, do a push-up, then jump your feet forward between your hands and explode into a jump. This move works your entire body and increases your heart rate. Beginners can skip the push-up or jump. Try 3 sets of 10 to 12 burpees. Flutter kicks target your lower abs and help tone your core muscles. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground and kick them up and down alternately with control. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 times. Side planks strengthen the obliques and improve core stability. Lie on your side with legs extended and forearm on the floor beneath your shoulder. Lift your hips off the ground to form a straight line from head to feet. Hold while engaging your core muscles. Beginners can bend knees for a modified version. Hold each side for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. High knees are a simple cardio exercise that also engages your core. Stand tall and jog in place, bringing your knees as high as possible toward your chest. Swing your arms to maintain momentum. This exercise improves endurance and speeds up fat loss. Perform high knees for 30 to 45 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat 3 to 4 times. Reverse crunches work the lower abs by lifting your hips off the floor. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Place your hands by your sides. Curl your pelvis toward your chest and slowly lower back down. Controlled movement is important to avoid injury and maximize muscle engagement. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. While these exercises target your belly fat, losing fat is also about overall lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, vegetables, lean proteins, and drinking plenty of water complements your workouts perfectly. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks that promote fat storage. Combining exercise with cardio activities like walking or cycling will accelerate fat loss. Consistency is the key to success. Aim to do these workouts 4 to 5 times per week. Increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves, but always listen to your body and rest when needed to prevent injury. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and patience, but you will see changes in your strength and shape with regular effort. Add these exercises into your daily routine easily by breaking them up into small sessions or doing a full circuit. For beginners, start with fewer repetitions and shorter times, then build up gradually. Stretch and warm up before your workouts and cool down afterward to keep your muscles flexible and prevent soreness. If you want to enhance your results, consider tracking your progress by taking measurements or photos weekly. This helps keep you motivated and accountable. Celebrate small victories like increased stamina, better posture, or tighter core muscles. These wins add up and keep you moving toward your goals. Some tips to avoid common mistakes include maintaining proper form during exercises to prevent injury, breathing steadily, and focusing on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with good technique than many reps poorly. Also, staying hydrated and getting enough sleep support your body's recovery and fat-burning processes. Lastly, make your environment supportive. Clear a space at home for your workouts, play motivating music, and set a consistent schedule. This helps build a routine that becomes part of your lifestyle, making it easier to stick with your fat loss journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more home workouts and health tips. Share your favorite exercises or questions in the comments. Stay motivated and see you in the next video.